And I got my abacus out and I did the math.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, 71 was a high today. So tomorrow morning when people walk out, we're going to have wind chills in the teens. And so that means it's going to be it's going to feel 50 to 60 degrees colder tomorrow morning
than it did this afternoon.
Than it did just, an hour ago.
Wow.
I mean, that's significant.
That's North Texas, man.
And then tomorrow morning is going to feel relatively warm compared to Monday and Tuesday morning. Wow. Now, and I'm not talking about us being entombed in ice.
Yeah.
Right now, that's not in our forecast, okay? So I don't want you to be scared because I know a Detroit guy like yourself, you'd get a little scared with ice.
I have rarely seen much ice or snow in my life, Pete.
Well, so, no, I'm saying right now the forecast does not show us being entombed in ice.
Okay.
A glaze, a coating of ice, which is problematic, or maybe a dusting of snow. And I'll break down the locations and the timing on that in just a moment. But, hey, let's enjoy the 71 we had today and the 38 this morning. Those were the temps we achieved today. The normals are 56 and 36, and the records remain. We've been as warm as we were at 85 degrees last year on this date. Outside right now, it's still pretty comfortable, 65 with a south wind at 17. Of course, the mountain cedar's high today because those strong south winds brought it all in from the hill country. High today, fungus today, that was low. See that little precip out there in the rolling plains? That's in advance of our overnight cold front. It'll be on top of the Dallas-Fort Worth area overnight. There it is right now. We'll have a little thunderstorm activity by midnight develop east of the Metroplex. There's a low chance of some small hail and some gusty winds with these storms. A higher risk of severe weather in northeast Texas, but the cold front's on top of us at 2 o'clock in the morning. The thunderstorms are well in advance of that, and by sunrise tomorrow, the sun's out, but it's going to be darn cold tomorrow morning and darn windy too, meteorologically speaking, of course. There's the severe weather threat. I don't know where it went. Look at that. Let's see if the squirrels kind of get the machine going here. Juice, what happened? We don't know. Let me press the button. Nope. Let's see. Let's try it one more time. Let's try it again. No. Are we just recording this, Ed, or are we actually live right now? Oh, we're live. We're on live TV. It never fails, does it? We took a power hit?
Yes.
Is that right? Do we not pay our bill again?
Yes.
Oh, doggone it. Okay, yeah, I'll have to write a check. Okay, here we go. So tomorrow morning, the severe weather threat, it's a low risk overnight tonight in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It's a higher risk in East Texas, and it's an enhanced risk on a level of 1 to 5. It's a 3 in Northeast Texas. That does not include North Texas, though. There's the wind. Okay, here's the Arctic front. Here it comes. When does that move through? It's still coming through Saturday night. Watch this, 7 o'clock Saturday morning, that front's on top of the Metroplex. You will certainly feel this. 6 p.m. Saturday, it drops to the south. Look at that, 7 o'clock in the morning Sunday, you head to the Cowboys game Sunday at lunchtime or whatever. I know it's a 3:30 kickoff. There's 7 p.m. Sunday, so right now the models are showing maybe a little bit of freezing rain down here in Hillsborough, Corsicana at 7 p.m., but then look at that. By midnight, that's snow, that's freezing rain, that's snow, that's some decent snow up in Oklahoma. And there we are. There's 4 in the morning on Monday. There's 7 in the morning on Monday. The precip finally moves out by Monday evening. And here's what we're left with. I'll have some other maps for you after I pay the bill. I'll have some other maps for you on X and also on the Facebook. But look at that. This is the most likely area. All the models are indicating light precip right now. But again, a coating, a covering of ice, a dusting of snow, all of that in the forecast for almost all of North Texas and 100% of the Metroplex. 30 tonight. It'll turn cold and it will be really windy tomorrow morning. We start tomorrow at 30. We only warm to 47. Wind chills tomorrow in the teens. The next 14 days, Sunday and Monday, either tying record lows or setting record lows. And we're going to have a lot of single digits in our forecast, a lot of single digit temperatures Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So just be prepared for that. And there's the final 7 of the 14 days. So there we go.